Now I know there's a lot of vocabulary here in your entire coursework you have to take before you take your exam. It's a lot of vocabulary, I get it. However, you have to do your best to try and keep them separate and keep them straight. I'm going to get on my soapbox again about word association lists. An encroachment. We just said an encroachment is an encumbrance. But what are examples of encroachments? A fence built onto somebody else's property line. The corner of a garage maybe was built and crossed over the property line. Basketball hoops. Could easily be some landscaping, things like that, a garden. But just remember that encroachments are an encumbrance. An encroachment is basically just an intrusion onto somebody else's land. Now let's talk about encumbrances. In this section, actually in all of your course material, anytime you're given examples in your course material, make note of those examples because that's how likely they're going to show up on the exam, okay? An encumbrance is a non-possessory interest in somebody's land, doesn't affect the lot size, and here's 4 examples of an encumbrance. Now where students get confused is we have several E-words, E-words I call them, in this section with encumbrances. Easements, encroachments, deed restrictions. They will have all of those on a test and say they are all examples of what? Now, sometimes it's easy to get encumbrance and encroachment and an easement mixed up, okay? That's why your word association lists, I think, can be so valuable. So let's talk about examples of encumbrances. Deed restriction, easements, encroachments, and liens. Those all encumber a property.